thought I gave you a mysterious necklace. That any time you want to disappear, you can disappear. But what happened to you?
Naija.
Nyash.
Naija that do me this. Naija. I was feeling good. Yeah. I was feeling good. Disappearing, appearing, beating here and there. All of a sudden, I saw some beautiful Nash. What a Nash. This Nash is so beautiful. So beautiful. I was like, I feel like touching. My heart was doing boogum. 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 So my heart said, touch this Nash. I started to touch this Nash. So I was about to touch this Nash. I'm going to touch this Nash. Going now. Jim.
So why I no go? Why just tell me why I no go talk? Why I no go speak? In fact, why I no go say? Nothing. So why?
What is it that you are talking just now? Your mood is changing.
Oh, I'm thinking about something. Don't worry.
No problem. I'm talking to you. I'm with you. You understand? I'm with you. So, Biggie.
I know they play with Nash.
You want to touch my girl, Nash? You don't want?
I want to touch him small.
You want to touch her small?
Small.
You think I know they see you? You think so? I know they see you. Never you in life. Never you in life near my baby. If you near them, eh? You are lucky it affected only your face. Give me my necklace. You are not serious. Next time, you must carefully take care of everything you take from me.
Naija! Naija!